You began your journey through roadies.
I purely went क्योंकि मुझे एक बाइक चाहिए थी. I've done reality before, but in acting, I'm just a year old. I've had a fabulous last year.
Oh, you started stammering.
A lot. Like I couldn't say a sentence without stammering. If you don't want people to bully you, stand up for yourself. Like after I gained all the confidence in class 11, I became a very problematic child. If you're not happy with yourself, then you can't be happy in a relationship.
तो अब क्या है आपकी लव लाइफ? हेलो लेडीज, लाइनों पे लग जाओ. Welcome to the Suvir Saran Show. Today's guest is Varun Sood, a man who's gone from roadies to the storied roads of Mumbai, and he comes on time. And today I was late, so get ready to join for a fun session. Welcome, Varun.
Thank you for having me.
Varun, you're 6'4". So inside you, are you 6'9", 6'10", 7'4", or a little bit of a shy person? क्या है आपकी अंदरूनी कहानी क्या है?
Andruni mein 5'3", I'm still a child inside. And I would like myself to be a child for as long as I can. I think उसमें मुझे मज़ा आता है. And I think I've had such beautiful people around me who have made sure that that child in me is still having fun and still like enjoying life.
So child hona, is it about innocence or is it about being able to make mistakes and cry and have mom and dad save you? What is this child wanting? ये क्या शरारत कर रहा है या innocent रहना चाह रहा है?
I think innocent रहना चाह रहा है. I think ये child चाह रहा है कि ये मानना चाह रहा है कि दुनिया अभी भी अच्छी है और सब लोग खराब नहीं है. Like he always will give a person a benefit of doubt कि maybe everybody is not like this or maybe he didn't intend to or she didn't intend to be a certain way.
तो ये attitude जो है to accept others as being innocent and being pure, does it have to have you be a child? आप बड़े नहीं हो सकते कि आप बड़े हो के भी दूसरे पे इंसानियत देख ले, मासूमियत देख ले?
I think कहीं ना कहीं जब आप एक पॉइंट के बाद जब आपका इनोसेंस चले जाता है तो आप सोचते हो कि the world is a harder place and that's my perspective about certain things. So I've always felt कि जितना आप childlike innocent रहेंगे उतना आप बोलोगे कि everybody is like me.
तो आप फौजी के बच्चे, मैंने सुना.
हाँ जी, मेरे
कितने
डैड
शहरों में आप पले?
अब गिनना पड़ेगा. कैलकटा, अंडमान्स, माऊ, कश्मीर, दिल्ली, टेंगा वैली, 6-7 तो मुझे याद है.
और सब में स्कूल गए आप?
डलहौजी, हाँ जी, सब में स्कूल गया.
एंड कोई फेवरेट सिटी इन सब में से, कोई स्टेट और सिटी?
अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड.
वहाँ पे तो लोग कॉन्वेक्स जाते हैं ना बदमाशी करके, तो
ना वो काला पानी.
तो क्यों आपको इतना अच्छा लगा?
आई थिंक वो लाइफ बहुत अच्छी थी. हमारा घर एक बीच के पास था एंड एज अ फैमिली हर वीकेंड हम लोग एक क्रूज पे जाते थे. एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द नाइसेस्ट प्लेसेस टू बी एज अ फैमिली क्योंकि एक्टिविटीज़ करने को थी.
कश्मीर में कहाँ थे आप लोग?
कश्मीर में मेरे डैड पोस्टेड थे पर हम लोग जाते रहते थे फॉर लाइक अ मंथ और टू. एक बदामी बाग करके वहाँ पर उनका कैंट है तो हम लोग वहाँ जाते थे टू विजिट माई डैड.
एंड हाउ वाज इट टू बी द सन ऑफ अ फौजी? वाज इट डिफिकल्ट लाइफ मूविंग अराउंड लाइक अ जिप्सी हर 2-3 साल एक नए शहर में?
आई थिंक बहुत नॉर्मल था बिकॉज जितने हमारे आसपास के बाकी फ्रेंड्स थे, जितने बाकी बच्चे थे वो सब फौजी के बच्चे थे तो हमारे लिए बहुत नॉर्मल लाइफ थी. तो एवरी टाइम वी हर्ड समबडी कि वो एक स्कूल में 10 साल तक है, हम बोलते थे यार ये तो बहुत अजीब बात है. सो फॉर अस द नॉर्मल थिंग वाज टू ट्रैवल एवरी फ्यू इयर्स, टू शिफ्ट अ स्कूल, टू शिफ्ट अ हाउस एवरी फ्यू मंथ्स. तो हमारे लिए काफ़ी नॉर्मल था.
और आप ट्विन हैं तो आपकी जो ट्विन सिस्टर है,
वी आर 2 minutes अपार्ट.
और दिल की धड़कनें आपकी
बहुत अलग है.
बहुत अलग है.
वी आर पोल्स अपार्ट कंप्लीटली.
एंड डू यू मिस योर सिस्टर व्हेन शी इज नॉट अराउंड यू? इतना नहीं है.
नहीं.
तो आप इतने रूखे सूखे कैसे हैं?
बिकॉज माई ट्विन सिस्टर वेंट टू अ लॉ स्कूल फॉर 5 years तो वो थोड़ा डिस्टेंट हो गया था. बट नाउ शी इज़ बैक इन मुंबई एंड शी इज स्टेइंग विद मी. तो अभी आई थिंक वी आर रिकनेक्टिंग इन अ डिफरेंट वे.
So it's not, we hear that twins are inseparable, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
आई थिंक स्कूल तक तो हम लोग थे. माई मॉम मेड शो कि वेदिका और मैं हमेशा एक क्लास में ही रहेंगे. एंड बिकॉज माई नेम इज़ वरुण, VANVE, तो आर रोल नंबर्स वर लाइक right next to
Close
each
enough.
other. So she used to help me a lot during exams.
वो
And
ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट थी?
बहुत ज़्यादा, तभी वो law school गई थी. So and that's why I think we grew closer, because we were together for 10 years of our school life. And then when she went to college, I had a different college life, she had a different college life. तो फिर वो थोड़ा distance आ जाता है. And also when you're growing up, your growing up years, she wasn't there. But now we both are 29 and we both are like working. So now we are reconnecting in a much more deeper level.
You began your journey with celebrity, with all this fanfare through roadies.
Yes.
So what is roadies? Man, I've never watched it, but I'm told कि हजारों लोग, लाखों लोग पहुंच जाते हैं जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम ऑडिशन के लिए. आप उनमें से एक थे.
मैं उनमें से एक था. Roadies is I think the oldest and the longest running reality show in India. And I purely went क्योंकि मुझे एक बाइक चाहिए थी. Mom उस टाइम पे ला के नहीं दे रही थी. मैंने बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया था. So I said, oh wow, if I win the show, if I do decently well on the show, I'll get a bike. So I was 19 years old when I decided that I'll go and audition. Didn't expect the line to be like 6 घंटे वेट करना पड़ा, 8 घंटे.
मैंने सुना कि बहुत स्टैम्पीड्स भी हो जाती है.
हाँ, हो जाती है.
कि मतलब कौन who cares about कुंभ मेला जब रोडीज ऑडिशन दे सकते हो.
No, but like it was a different experience क्योंकि मैं पहली बार I was in a situation जहाँ पर वो army controlled environment नहीं था. It was civil life. So I went with the mentality that अगर हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो, because even I wanted to join the army at one point.
एंड क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन किया फिर आपने?
क्योंकि फिर MTV हो गया, फिर उसके बाद एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिल गया. I was like ये तो अच्छी लाइफ है.
तो रोडीज में होता क्या है? एक बार आप ज्वाइन कर गए फिर क्या?
हाँ, तो it's a fitness adventure travel show where you're on the bikes, you're going across India. My journey was from Ayodhya to Kathmandu. So we were on the bike, we traveled all the way.
And while doing this motorcycle ride,
Yeah.
what did you have to do for them?
There were different physical tasks, elimination, like what reality is all about. But because I've seen that show as a child, Ranvijay was the first person to be on that show, and he's also an army kid. So we grew up watching him. And I was like, if I get to be on the show with him, it'll be fun, it'll be nice, exciting. And a lot of fun tasks, like a lot of people might want to pay and do this, but हमको free में करने को मिल रहा था. Plus, if I win, I get a bike. So I was very excited throughout. I was like a mesmerized child, like looking at everything. Like, oh, I remember ये workout में होता था.
So, did your parents enjoy this journey?
Yeah. My mom and my dad were very okay with it. Because I told them that once I come back, because I had cleared my papers, right? I said I'll go give my SSB and I'll join the Indian Army.
What is SSB?
It's a service selection board
For the NDA.
for the NDA. And I told them that I'll join the army after that.
फिर पुणे जाते हैं for the NDA.
मेरा भोपाल में था. तो ऐसे ठीक है. ऐसे 1 महीने का ये करके मैं यहाँ पर आया. बोला yeah, okay, do your thing. So they were very supportive throughout.
ये क्या हुआ?
Then मैं वहाँ गया और फाइनल में जाके जीता नहीं. But the whole experience was like it made me very happy. It made me curious about how they make a show, what goes behind in making a show. I also love the fact that everybody is, like the crew is working towards the same goal to make the show bigger. So that life fascinated me, but I didn't know much of it. So again, I came back to Delhi. अपना college continue कर रहा था.
कहाँ जा रहे थे आप कॉलेज में?
Venkateshwar.
So you were a smart kid? The South Campus?
I was very good at sports. तो
उस कोटा से आए. And you what basketball खेला आपने?
basketball
Good
खेला,
height?
हाँ जी.
Were you the tallest or the shortest?
I was one of the smallest people on my team.
6 foot 4 पे was smallest. So I've heard through the rumor mill that Varun used to look like Suvir. तो ऐसे आपकी तरह लगता था. तो मेरी तरह कैसे लगते? बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगते मेरी तरह. इतने थोड़े रोली पोली थे. Is that correct?
I was a well-fed baby when I was growing up.
Till what age?
Till 2010, till 15.
What changed at 15?
I think when my dad came back from Kashmir one of the holidays and he looked at me, and my dad was an athlete. He ran for India.
Oh, ran for India.
Yeah,
How incredible.
400 meters. So he looked at me, he was like, what the hell? What have you done? And kept looking at my mother कि ये क्या कर दिया है इसको? And my mom was like, खाते रहता है पूरा दिन, इसका यही है. And what my dad said, and I was a very underconfident child. I was
going to get to the bullying.
Yeah, I was bullied for a while. And my dad said that if you want to change it, if you don't want people to bully you, stand up for yourself. And if you can't, find out a way of doing it. And I felt me being underconfident is the reason why I can't stand up for myself. And because I felt a certain way about my body type, मैंने बोला इसको change करना पड़ेगा. So one fine day I tried to pick up football. वो ground बहुत बड़ा था. तो भागा नहीं गया. वॉलीबॉल ट्राई किया, वो भी नहीं हुआ. देन बास्केटबॉल आई स्टक टू. आई वाज लाइक कम व्हाट मे, मैं
You're
तो
already
खेलूंगा.
tall at this point.
No, I was short. I was like 5'3", 5'4".
And yet you tried for basketball.
Yeah, I said now, like come what may, I've given up on 2-3 different sports. Now I need to like be fixated on one. So then basketball happened,
And then you started growing like a bean.
and then I grew about 6
Foot,
inches.
full.
And I grew 6 inches in like a few months, and then I kept growing till 23. I realized that very late in life. I was a very problematic child after I got after I gained all the confidence in class 11. I became a very problematic child.
In what way?
I was playing basketball the whole day. I got obsessed with that sport. I wasn't going to class, getting into fights. Because every time now somebody tried to bully me, I used to like let loose. And that created a lot of problem for me and my mom. Because she was called to school every now and then कि आपका बच्चे ने ये किया, आपका बच्चा क्लास में नहीं है. And I used to always feel कि क्या बड़ी बात होगी. And as I started growing up and as I started living alone, I realized that मेरी mom को मैंने काफ़ी तंग किया in my life. And I should have realized that a little before.
Did you ever say thank you to her?
I did. I like to, like every time I have a screening or I have a big day, I make sure that she has a flight ticket and she comes for that. Because she loves Bollywood. Like she grew up watching, she was a theatre actor when she was in college, and she continued it for a while. And she loves the life.
How incredible. Why were you bullied?
I think I came from a small state, Andaman Nicobar Island. So I wasn't exposed to Delhi, and Delhi came to me like a wave. यहाँ पर लोग बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट थे.
कितनी उम्र के थे जब आप दिल्ली पहुंचे?
2004 में 9 साल का था मैं. तो आई सेड ये दुनिया अलग है, यहाँ के लोग अलग है, यहाँ की भाषा अलग है. और बिकॉज हम लोग पहले ही, मैं और मेरी बहन, हम दोनों ओवरवेट थे, तो काफ़ी लोगों ने उसका मजाक बनाया.
वेट के कारण लोग मजाक
वेट के कारण लोग मजाक बनाते थे. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच हम दोनों किसी से बात नहीं करते थे. लाइक वी वर आवर ओनली फ्रेंड्स इन स्कूल. Vedika and me. So that led to both of us stammering. हम लोग फिर बोलते थे
you started stammering?
a lot. Like I couldn't say a sentence without stammering. Both me and Vedika. Because getting bullied by not only our batchmates but people who are older than us, and standing up to them were basically like asking for more punches on your face.
And what school were you going to?
I was going to the school called Army Public School.
Yeah, but Mr. Dang was one of the principals. I don't know if you
Yes. Yeah.
My mother's best friend's husband. But it was I'm supposed to be a tough school, good school.
I mean,
but bullying is everywhere.
all schools are tough, but I think bullying is there. Like even when people say कि हमारे स्कूल में नहीं होता, हो रहा है. कहीं ना
Bachchas
कहीं
are
हो
very
रहा है.
unkind to each other.
Yeah. And nobody thinks of the consequences कि बच्चे पे क्या बीत रही है. But at that point, we were okay living with it until my dad came and told me that if you are not okay, if it's making you feel a certain way, then take control.
Did he hear your stammering, your father?
He did.
And what did he say before the weight was an issue?
He said that this is on you. You didn't stammer in Andamans. You didn't stammer before that because you're scared. Figure it out. I think weight इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं था मेरे लिए. मेरे लिए ये प्रॉब्लम था कि लोग मुझे एक अलग तरीके से देखते.
किस तरीके से?
कि अलग दिखता था. I was a
pretty boy थे.
नहीं, pretty भी नहीं था. I was a fat guy. I was like 90.
No, but fat people can be pretty too.
No, but I was 96
मैं इतना
kgs.
तो अगली नहीं हूँ.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आप बहुत सुंदर है. But I was 96 kgs. Even though I looked a certain way, like मैं ठीक ही दिखता हूँगा.
You were 96 when you were 15-year-old.
Yeah. I justified it with my weight, not realizing that me not standing up for myself is the reason of me getting bullied.
And how did you get that courage? कि अब मेरे को करना है कुछ.
I think when you're entering a certain age of your life where you're also interested in women, like I was like, nobody is looking at me. Nobody is like, I'm not wanted anywhere. And I was also entering class 11. I said, now is a time where I need to change things in my life. And if I don't do it now, I'll not be able to do it ever.
And you did it.
I did it.
Did you find a girlfriend at that age?
Yes.
And was that good?
It was fun. She was not girlfriend, like I was chasing her for 4 years.
But didn't go anywhere.
It did go somewhere, but did go at
As you wanted.
as I wanted it to be.
You wanted it more seriously and she didn't.
Yeah.
तो ये बार-बार हुआ आपकी जिंदगी में?
काफी बार.
क्यों?
I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ जाता हूँ. If I want to be with somebody, I would dedicate a lot of my time to that person. But I don't think at that age, she was in college second year, I was in like class 11. Already.
Older woman?
Yeah. Already that age disparity was there. Plus उसका छोटा भाई मेरे क्लास में था. तो
Oh, बहुत very smart.
तो आई थिंक उसको नहीं चाहिए था लाइफ में इतना सीरियस. और मैं भी गधा था, मतलब क्लास 11 में क्या ही सीरियस होता.
तो अब क्या है आपकी लव लाइफ?
अब मैं अपने आप से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ.
Isn't that the most important thing?
It is the most important thing, and I think with my past relationship I realized that if you're not happy with yourself, then you can't be happy in a relationship.
So when you say मैं अपने आप के साथ बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, what are the key ingredients for self-love?
I think finding validation within yourself.
How do you do that?
For me, validation is work, number one. Number two, I love to make the people around me happy.
But that's not self-love. वो तो
For me, self-love is making other people happy.
and फिर also अब you make other people happy और क्या करते हैं आप अपने self-love के लिए?
मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ. मैं
कहाँ जाते हैं आप travel पे?
मैं अलग अलग जगह जाता हूँ. लास्ट टाइम आई वेंट टू बाली टू डू अ स्कूबा डाइविंग कोर्स.
पर बाली में तो लोग प्यार ढूंढने जाते हैं. वो तो ना eat pray love उसमें they went for love, they went to Bali.
बट बाली में स्कूबा डाइविंग कोर्स थोड़ा सस्ता था, तो मैं वहाँ चला गया.
You do scuba diving?
I did. I
How
got
deep do you go?
certification. I've gone 10 meters अब तक. I'm petrified of water. Like I'm petrified of underwater. And
How did you do this then?
I just wanted to do it.
Because I'm petrified.
Yeah.
I can jump from
Same.
mile high, no
Yeah.
problem. मेरे को प्लेन से छोड़ दो नीचे तो
हाँ.
हंसते हुए आता हूँ नीचे.
Yeah.
पानी से डरता हूँ. अब मुझे बताओ please, because I'm dying to do it, but I don't have the guts.
So I did a show called Fear Factor after Roadies. And वहाँ पर I was okay with everything. Jumping off a chopper.
Yeah, I can do all the jumping.
Like I loved it. Once they put me underwater, I panicked. I was like, this is not okay
I have
for me.
asthma and I keep thinking I'll die the minute.
Yeah, because also like my perception of the ocean is so big. Like it's
It is.
95% of the ocean is not discovered. So I'm like, कुछ भी हो सकता है
And
इसके
dark.
अंदर. And dark, yeah. And then I came out of the show and everything, and then I said to myself that ये मुझे डरा रहा है, मुझे इसको overcome करना है.
तो रोडीज के बाद
हाँ जी.
आप इस शो पे गए जो फियर फैक्टर.
नहीं, उसके पहले I was doing things with MTV as a video jockey.
So what does a video jockey do for MTV?
Just hosting like segments, interviewing people, like brand integration with MTV. I was also then became a host on Roadies for the behind the scenes, and I became a judge on Roadies. So
जज की तरह आपने क्या करा? औरों को बुली करा?
नहीं, मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं किया. And that's one thing that I always told myself. I was 25 when I became a judge on the show.
Were you the youngest?
Yes. मुझे किसी का confidence shatter नहीं करना. I just want to build them up. And people when they come on the show, they have a lot of hope कि इसके बाद शायद कुछ हो जाएगा. Because everybody who has been on the show more or less उनकी कहीं ना कहीं life एक अलग turn ले लेती है. So I just told myself that I'm going to be there for the person and I'm going to do everything in my control to make things happen for them. So I never bullied anybody on the show.
So what is next for you?
I just want to continue acting now. I made a decision of leaving the reality world 2 years back.
You've come to reality now. Reality world में कुछ reality नहीं है. But you have to be honest. I've been in reality shows.
Yeah.
It's as fake as it gets.
I think so. In their defense, because I was also part of it, the makers
In
know
your
what they're doing.
defense, you have to make up a story for us.
No, like the makers know what's happening. It took me 5 years to understand that I don't want to be.
Tamasha.
I don't want to be controlled like this, because I used to always like let loose of my emotions on a reality show, and then I realized that maybe this is not my calling, because I never. एक तो चीजें जो वहाँ होती थी मुझे बहुत पेटी लगती थी.
उन्हीं का एंटरटेनमेंट है, छोटी छोटी बातों का बतंगड़
बनाना तो मुझसे होता नहीं था. तो मुझे काफी बार प्रोड्यूसर आके बोलते थे तूने रिएक्ट क्यों नहीं किया. सर क्योंकि नहीं करना है, ये बहुत छोटी बात है. इन द रियल वर्ल्ड दिस डजंट मैटर.
टू zen for them.
No, also I was like, ये 30 days बाद all of this is like we have a normal life to go back to. चप्पल, उसने मेरी चप्पल ले ली, उसने मेरा टूथब्रश ले लिया, इस पे फाइट कर रहे हैं. I don't get it. So I made a decision that I would want to. I took my first acting workshop and I said, this is something that I like.
And where did you do this?
I did it in Pondicherry. In the
Pondicherry में acting workshop?
हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छी है. Actually इंडिया की बेस्ट है वहाँ पर. एक company is called Adi Shakti. It's a theatre company. One of the most prestigious companies that we have in India, and it just changed my life completely. I loved it.
And how long were you there?
I was there for 11 days.
And in that you had a epiphany.
Yes, because somebody suggested me that try taking it, maybe you'll like it. And I love passion-driven things. it makes me very happy. Like how basketball happened to me, and I realized there's a lot of passion involved, a lot of learning involved. You have to dedicate a lifestyle to it, for you to get even like moderately better at it. And I feel Adi Shakti was that, where it was a calling for me that I need to start learning this. It's fantastic. Imagine you're making a person feel your own emotions just by doing a few breathing techniques, feeling a certain way. You're saying a story and you're making the person believe in your own story, which is made up.
Are there songs and books that keep you entertained, that make you grow?
I'm a big hip hop fan. I love hip hop.
Hip-hop?
Yeah, but my
उसको हम लोग आर्ट कह सकते हैं?
but my genre is Urdu hip hop.
ये कौन करता है?
ये बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट करते हैं. Uh,
कौन? नाम?
Talha Anjum,
हाँ,
Talha
I
Yunus.
they're two very good.
I think the writing is beautiful.
And there are two of them, no?
There are two of them.
Yeah,
They're called
they're
Young
very
Stunners
good.
together. It's beautiful writing, and I think for me, music is mostly writing. It should like feel you in every way. So for me, music is something that I really enjoy.
Do you try to write hip hop?
No, I've realized that I can't.
Do you write at all?
Sometimes.
क्या लिखते हैं?
मैं कभी-कभी जो मेरे मन में, if I'm feeling a certain way,
कभी-कभी मेरे दिल में कहें तो
ख्याल आता है.
ये तो आपकी राइटिंग.
No, but if I'm feeling a certain way, I'll just write it down in my journal. I like
Do you remember
journaling.
anything you've written that
Uh,
could make me cry immediately?
I wrote a poem long time back.
सुनाए.
मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, निकालो. So you keep it on your iPhone? Or phone?
Phone.
हाँ, तो fancy phone है. ये इसका नाम है, मैं भूल रहा हूँ.
Hold. Clearly.
नहीं, but this is very famous, the double screen वाला.
Yes.
ये फोटोज भी अच्छी लेता है, बड़ी लेता है.
हाँ जी.
जी हाँ, you know हाँ जी is a wrong word.
हाँ जी is not a wrong
हाँ जी
word.
नहीं कहते ना, जी हाँ कहते हैं असली हिंदी में.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
जी, पंजाबी में हाँ जी कहते हैं.
अच्छा, मेरी दादी मुझे कहती थी कि हाँ मत बोलो, हाँ जी बोला करो.
जी हाँ is the correct
Oh,
way of
जी
saying.
हाँ.
जी हाँ. हाँ जी is the Punjabi way of saying जी हाँ. हाँ जी.
अच्छा. I didn't know that.
My mom's a Punjabi, so I can.
अच्छा.
तो जी हाँ
अपनी
is
दादी
the
को
correct
बोलूंगा
way.
कि गलत सिखाया आपने मुझे.
तो अब पढ़ रहे थे मेरे लिए?
लिखी भी नहीं है, पर मेरे पास है रिकॉर्डेड. आई कैन शो इट टू यू.
रिकॉर्डेड मतलब?
हाँ जी, मैंने एक रील बनाई थी अपने पोएम की. ओके, रेडी?
हाँ, रेडी.
है समझ मुझे कि मैं ना समझ वही, दुनिया मेरे लिए आसान, या शायद मैं कभी समझा ही नहीं. खुद से ही गुफ्तगू, खुद से ही सवाल, हर सवाल का हल सही, या शायद मैं ही गलत हर बार. दुनिया से कुछ अलग ही सीखा हो शायद मैं ही दुनिया से अनजान, शायद मैं इस दुनिया का ही नहीं, शायद ये दुनिया मुझसे अनजान.
And this voice is whose? You've
Mine.
taken AI and used Amitabh Bachchan's voice?
It's mine. It's actually mine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
बहुत बढ़िया आवाज है.
On mic, because I was a MC, a host before.
No,
so on mic.
incredible. You've done it so beautifully, and
Thank
the words
you.
are incredible.
Thank you.
कि शायद आप दुनिया ही से नहीं है, दुनिया से अनजान है. वाह.
Every time I feel like maybe people are not understanding me in a certain way that I would want them to understand me, I feel like maybe there's nobody who would understand me, so I wrote this then.
अरे कितनी बारी होता है हफ्ते में?
होता है, क्योंकि मैं शेयर नहीं करता लोगों से what I feel.
तो ये तो बहुत गलत बात है.
नहीं, दुनिया में जैसे आपने बोला बहुत दुख है, तो किसी और को अपना दुख क्यों देना?
अगर नहीं देंगे आप और बोलेंगे नहीं तो दूसरा आपको कैसे जानेगा? You want to be in love by 35 with a child. ये कैसे होगा अगर आप बात नहीं कर पाएंगे?
जितनी बात करनी है उतनी कर लेते हैं.
ये तो गलत है, क्योंकि बात पूरी करनी होती है.
मैं मानता हूँ आपकी बात.
नाप तोल के जो बात करता है वो लवर नहीं बन सकता.
मैं मानता हूँ आपकी बात, ये बहुत सही बात है आपकी, बट आई थिंक मेरा ये लाइफ में ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, अगर मैंने किसी को ओवर शेयर किया है या फिर बात करी है, तो हमेशा यही दिक्कत रही है कि या तो मैं हार्ट ब्रोकन हुआ उसको लेकर, या तो मेरी बात को गलत समझा गया. आई एम ट्राइंग टू ओपन अप टू पीपल इन अ सर्टेन वे. पहले तो मैं
हमें
बिल्कुल
एक
नहीं
चीज
बोलता था.
बताएं जो आपने कभी किसी को नहीं बताई. सरेंडर करें यहाँ पे.
मुझे बहुत चीज़ें अफेक्ट करती है लाइफ में, और मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. A lot of people who know me, even as the personality on TV or like the shows that I do, कि ये तो हंसता खेलता आदमी है. Things really matter to me a lot, and words really matter to me.
वो
तो-
देखा था, आपकी पोइट्री वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग.
I really get affected by a rejection. I really get affected
Why?
by it hurts because every time you're going for something, you're expecting things to happen for you, और जब वो नहीं होती है तो बुरा लगता है, बहुत normal है.
And what happens when you get rejected?
There are times that I cry. There are times that I tell myself that maybe I have to improve a certain way. I'm very hard on myself. Very hard on myself.
How?
Like, I would probably like blame myself first for anything not happening for myself, and then the other person. बहुत rarely होता है कि मैं किसी और को blame करूँ. I always like look within myself and tell myself that तेरे को ये काम करना पड़ेगा तो फिर ये होगा. Maybe you're not ready for that. Why aren't you ready for it? Make sure that the next time you be in a position like that, you're ready for it.
The chances of you not being rejected in this industry are minimal.
You're right.
क्योंकि हजारों सैकड़ों लोग दे रहे हैं एक
बिल्कुल,
ऑडिशन,
बिल्कुल.
उनमें से एक आदमी को मिलने वाला है. तो आप रोडीज वगैरह सब हो गई, मूवी में आ गए. डे टाइम सोप ऑपरा और फिल्म, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू?
Film.
You're not auditioning for daytime soap opera?
Like I've done a few web series. I think that's web series and films is something that I would want to do. Meaningful films and shows that I.
But they say that a web series actor can't make it into a film. Why do they say that? Is that true?
No, I don't think it's true. I think the horizon has been opened up by so
By
many
whom?
people. By so many people. Like every film actor you see is now doing like Ananya Pandey did a fabulous job in this show called Call Me Bae. I was part of it. Shahid Kapoor did a web series called Farzi. I think now the whole line has been blurred completely. An actor is an actor now. Because OTT has given so many actors an opportunity that लोग देख रहे हैं कि अच्छा बाकी एक्टर भी है दुनिया में. पहले होता था कि फिल्म में अगर आप आ गए तो आप एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर बन गए. But nowadays there are so many shows that do so well that people are recognized as actors, not as film actors or show actors, as actors. If you have a good show that's done very well.
As an actor, an actor ready to make it very big, what are the challenges, 3 challenges you face right now to crack it? That you think are the challenges that you have to overcome?
Honestly though, I feel like, and this is not like an excuse that being an outsider, I'm still very, very new to this world. I still have to know a lot about how things work out here. And being in the right room, my name being taken in the right rooms is not happened yet. Eventually that should happen.
What are those right rooms?
Right rooms, as in if there's a casting happening in a big production house or any production house, I don't think right now my name has been taken over there. I've had a fabulous last year in terms of doing shows. They've all done well, but I think I'm still very new. I'm only like a year old in terms of acting. I've done reality before, but in acting I'm just a year old. I think the challenges I'm facing right now is that I would definitely want more opportunities and want to know about more opportunities in the industry. Secondly, I would want to be a little more aware of how things work. Again, can't be feeling sad about certain things. If the role is not meant for me, even though if I've given my 100%, it's not meant for me. Sometimes I don't look the part, sometimes I am older for the part.
Or younger.
Or younger for the part. So I need to still like be okay with certain reasons and not be so hard on myself. I think ये 2 reasons तो है.
जब आप रात को थक छूट के आते हैं, after many auditions and you think none of them are coming your way, is there a guilty indulgence that you give yourself comfort with?
I'm a sucker for desserts.
What kind of desserts?
Lately I've been obsessing over Indian sweets a lot.
Which one?
Mysore Pak.
मैसूर पाक कहाँ से आपने खाना सीखा?
खाना तो बचपन में सीख लिया था.
मैसूर पाक?
हाँ.
कौन लाता था आपके मैसूर पाक?
मॉम लाती थी.
कहाँ से?
बीकानेर में पहले मिलता था, फिर हल्दीराम का मिलने लग गया, फिर मथुरा का पेड़े मैं ऑर्डर कर लेता हूँ. अभी आजकल बिकॉज यू हैव स्विगी एंड एवरीथिंग इट्स सो इजी टू गेट एवरीथिंग.
मथुरा के पेड़े? You like पेड़ा?
Yeah.
The sugar.
Yeah, just like plain sugar.
Even Mysore Pak, 2 very sugary desserts.
I actually learned baking because I love to eat sweets.
What do you bake?
I love baking the red velvet cake with like cheese cream frosting.
तो रेड को कैसे बनाते हो? पैकेज से खरीदते
नहीं.
असली में मैदा वे करके?
मेरी मॉम की ना अभी भी एक फाइल है and when she watches it she'll know. उसमें ना सिर्फ पेजेस येलो हो गए, उसमें टेक्स्ट भी ऑलमोस्ट गायब हो गया. So her mom gave it to her when she got married. So she's been following recipes from that only. So मैंने भी वहीं से देख के सीखा था.
And weigh करके पूरा कितना मैदा?
Yeah.
You have a weighing scale and everything?
Yes, I do.
How incredible!
Yeah.
And what other cakes do you make?
I like to make normal basic cupcakes, tea cake, tea vanilla.
Cupcakes?
Yeah,
You make cupcakes?
Yeah, yeah.
And you have the little
yeah,
molds and everything?
everything.
Hello ladies, लाइनों में लग जाओ.
पर खुद के लिए बनाता हूँ मैं, मुझे बहुत मजा आता
और
है.
लेडीज के लिए नहीं बनाते.
नहीं, आएंगे तो बिल्कुल बनाएंगे. The reason I started was because again that girl who I was chasing for a very long time, I was like, how do I impress her? So I learned it for her, and first time I gave a cake to somebody was that girl.
How incredible! So cupcakes, red velvet cake, what else?
Brownies,
Brownies
vanilla
with
tea
nuts or
cakes.
without?
Without.
Without nuts.
Choco chips. मुझे अपने
Dark
no milk.
milk chocolate.
Yes.
Why?
I think I don't like the sourness of.
But then you're not using good chocolate. Or good sour है.
Maybe. मैं तो dairy milk डाल देता हूँ.
अब remind me, we have to get you Amul chocolate to cook with. It's incredible.
Amul chocolate, right?
It's the best baking chocolate in the world.
Yeah.
And this I learned only after an Italian company that makes the best chocolate said to me, Chef, do you know Amul? I said, of course I know Amul. He said, they make the best chocolate in the world. It's the best chocolatier of the planet, telling me.
But dark chocolate.
Dark, because Amul buys the best chocolate in the planet. So this
I know
is,
that.
I didn't know, and I was so proud that the temple of Italian chocolate is telling me Amul is the best chocolate in the world.
Wow, I shall try
हम
that.
देसी लोग हर चीज अपना बुरा समझते हैं ना.
नहीं वो मैं ऐसे तो खा लेता हूँ.
It's very good. I was shocked at how good Amul dark chocolate is. But Amul products are very good.
Yeah.
तो एक तो जो दो केक बना रहे हो और ब्राउनीज के बाद और क्या बनाते हो?
Vanilla tea cake.
Vanilla tea cake. And what is a tea cake?
It's just basically sponge cake. Mom tea cake बुलाती थी. उनकी रेसिपी के ऊपर tea cake लिखा हुआ था. But sponge cake है normal.
And और क्या बनाते हो?
बस इतना ही काफी था पेट भरने के
थ्री
लिए.
ट्रिक पोनी, बस
Yeah,
तीन ही
yeah.
ट्रिक्स
हाँ
है.
हाँ.
रात को पलंग पे बैठ के क्या खाते हो? जब मूवी देख रहे हो, रो रहे हो?
मिठाई,
पेड़ा.
पेड़ा, बर्फी, मैसूर
Which
पाक,
बर्फी?
काजू कतली.
I love kaju. I can eat a kilo.
But again, I eat it like chips.
हमें तो किलो. I can eat a
हाँ,
kilo.
easy, easy.
तो आप किताबें पढ़ते हैं?
नहीं, मैं डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखता हूँ.
कैसी डॉक्यूमेंट्री देख रहे हैं आजकल?
रिसेंटली मैंने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी. इट्स कॉल्ड कोट ऑफ गोल्ड.
कोड ऑफ कोल्ड.
कोट.
कोट ऑफ कोल्ड.
इट्स
आपने दो कोट पहने हो क्यों?
एक ही पहना है. अंदर नहीं है कुछ. बहुत गर्मी है बॉम्बे में. क्या
But look at the lining of your jacket. इस तरफ से दिखाएं कि कैमरा
ये
को
रिवर्सेबल है.
रिवर्स करके दिखाओ. पहनो रिवर्स है. कोई लोग देखे तो यहाँ पे ताकत है कि रंग बिरंगी चीज पहनने की. No, प्लीज
वो
प्लीज.
कैमरे पे जा रहे हो जाएगा.
नहीं देख, पहनो. I want to see you. And you'll also get to see his biceps. You have to be a fit actor. How much role does body play in acting?
It doesn't.
How gorgeous is this? ये फूल पता है आपको कौन से हैं?
ये असली नहीं है.
नहीं, पर पता है कौन सा फूल है इसमें?
ये तो वो
गेंदा.
है, गेंदा का फूल है.
हाँ, गेंदा का फूल है. How amazing. Very good jacket. ये हुई ना बात.
Thank you.
रिवर्सिबल कहाँ से ली आपने ये? इनको भी प्रमोट कर दें?
नहीं, इनको नहीं करना. इन लोगों ने पैसे नहीं दिए.
So Charan, now you've seen the man. How important is a body to acting?
I think to feel the character physically, and I'm talking about all shapes and sizes, then the physicality of an actor is important. But I don't think like a fit body is the statement of being an actor.
I'm told by actors that you have to be at a body weight जहाँ पे आप 10 किलो और 10 किलो कम ऐसे कर सकते
You're
हैं.
right.
आप भी ऐसी जिंदगी
हाँ जी.
जीते हैं जिससे ज्यादा मसल नहीं चाहिए. आपको बहुत बीच की बॉडी में रहना होता है.
हाँ, like जब I did my first show called Karma Calling, I had to drop down to 7% body fat. दिमाग खराब हो गया था.
कैसे करते हैं 7% बॉडी फैट?
पहले तो जो भी आपके फूड ऐप्स उसको डिलीट करके अपने फ़ोन पे एक टाइमर लॉक लगा के कि ये फ़ोन ना चले, ताकि मैं गलती से उसको डाउनलोड करके कुछ खा ना लूँ. as to lock myself in the room, saying that don't even like think of going out and eating the things in your fridge. Very difficult. One of the most difficult times that I've gone through is not eating. Eating makes me very happy. It makes me very happy.
Makes me also very happy.
And like to starve myself, I was eating like barely 2,000 calories for 7 months. So दिमाग मेरा खराब हो गया था. But again, had
But
to
you
do it
got
for
the role and you did well in it?
Yes, it did. The show also did very well. Cut to, I was doing another show where I had to look like a bodybuilder. So I had to like weigh 100 kg. So then I was like eating. Mysore Pak bhi aa raha hai, Kaju Katli bhi aa rahi hai. Fir main kha raha hu. And then I did a show where I'm playing a cadet. So again, I had to lean down.
Not 4G, अभी जो निकला है. Cadet.
Cadet. Yeah.
You were playing a cadet.
I was playing, yeah. So again, to feel like the character, I always put myself in a different regime so I can feel like the character.
So before I let you go, एक चीज मुझे बताएं, is Indian cinema going to go towards more of the Bollywood overacting या character acting आ रही है हिंदुस्तान में?
I think character acting काफी ज्यादा आ रही है इंडिया में.
तो आप character actor बनेंगे या आप अफलातून overacting का बंदा?
मुझे बस अच्छा एक्टर बनना है. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर मैं लीड में आ रहा हूँ या फिर मैं सेकंड लीड में आ रहा हूँ या थर्ड लीड में आ रहा हूँ. आई वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स वेयर पीपल लाइक मी फॉर द वर्क दैट आई हैव डन एंड अप्रिशिएट मी फॉर द वर्क दैट आई एम डूइंग. मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि अगर मैं सुपरस्टार, नहीं, मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है.
To the people listening to this, what are your 3 biggest fears that you want to overcome in this new year, the year ahead of you?
I think I need to stop worrying a lot about life. अभी तक जितना लाइफ ने दिया है या हुआ है, I'm very grateful for it. But I worry a lot for the future.
तो एक तो worry को कम करना है,
worry को कम करना है. दूसरा डरना थोड़ा कम करना है मुझे.
तो worry और डर तो एक ही हुआ ना?
नहीं, डर as in like every time, even if I've gotten a project or entering a new project, I always am scared that मैं उनको disappoint ना करूँ. I have to have more confidence in myself that अगर लिया तो कुछ सोच के लिया होगा. ऐसे कोई अपने पैसे नहीं लगाता किसी पे. And third, just to like enjoy more in life.
तो आज क्या करेंगे आप यहाँ से निकल के enjoy करने के लिए?
अभी इसके बाद मेरा एक सेशन है मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स का.
Oh, you're going to go
Yes.
work out.
Yeah.
And you're going to Delhi tomorrow to be with your mum.
Yes.
Enjoy. Thank you for making time to come be with us.
Thank you for having me.
And I can't wait to see you in a big film where you do outshine what you think you were going to do. And I think you're an incredible human being and keep being yourself.
Thank you so much.
We can't let you go just yet. There's a little... Do you drink Coca-Cola at all?
I will today.
You don't? You're not like me. मैं तो जीता हूँ उस पे. But some Coke products for you.
Thank you so much.
You know, sugar is important. You need it
is.
sometimes.
For your brain functioning. You're right.
Yes. So indulge in some.
Thank you so much.
Varun, thank you for being here. And thank you for joining the Suvir Saran show. Varun Sood, an incredible actor, has shown us what humility, what fear, what self-doubt can do and how you overcome it. Join us again for the next show and share this with your friends and family. Thank you.